Okay, ndewo no onye ọbụla ndewo no none. Okay, so we're going to focus on the sentences you sent, okay? Please, if you did not send your own, make sure you send it to me. All right, so I'm going to share page. We're gonna start it. We get to everybody. So if you don't use this word, don't send me the word you don't use in your house. Send me the words you use in your house. So we're gonna follow it line by line. And today we're gonna do some of them that I typed here. Going to follow them and do them. All right, so we're starting with maximize this. All right, so this one says, I am traveling to Germany, right? So this we're doing was and meaning. All right, was and meaning. Igbo was, okay. Igbo was a meaning in Igbo. All right. Okay, I am traveling to Germany, okay? Aga m aga njem na Germany, okay? Aga m aga Germany, miss. Aga m aga njem. All right? I am. Ana m aga njem na Germany. Anam, when you say I am, it means anam aga njem. Njem means trip na Germany. Okay? And the Germany have to say it in Igbo. Yeah, meaning. That's how you spell it in Igbo. Now, I will take you with me. I will take you with me. Aga m akpọ gị aga. Aga m akpọ gị aga. So you say aga m akpọ gị I will. Aga m akpọ gị aga. Aga m akpọ gị aga. I will take you with me. Okay? Open the door. You're supposed to say please. Open the door, please. So open means mepe, meye. Okay? Some people say mepe ozo. Can say meye ozo. Meye. Some people say mepe. Mepe. If that's your dialect, that's how you say it. Mepe ozo. Biko. Ozo means door. Meye or mepe ozo. Biko. Biko means place. Now, what time is it? What time is it? Gịnị na-akụ? Gịnị na-akụ n'elekere? Elekere means the clock. Clock is the elekere. Gịnị na-akụ n'elekere? What time is it? Gịnị na-akụ na elekere? Now, another one I saw somebody saying, go away, please. Okay? Si ebe a pụọ, see? Go away. Pụọ ebe a, biko. Pụọ, biko. Go away means pụọ, biko. Pụọ, biko. Now, some people say, please leave this place. Biko, pụọ ebe a. Say that. Okay, biko, pụọ ebe a. Pụọ ebe a. Biko, pụọ ebe a. Now, another one is, I am eating orange. I know somebody, you know, whenever you send something, you know what you send. You know it, okay? I am eating orange. Anam, I am is anam. Anam, eri. Eri means eating. Anam eri Okay, oroma. Oroma means orange, the fruit orange. Oroma is called orange. Now, you know, if you are the one that sent this, now you know what orange is called, right? See, that's why I told you to do this, so you know what you're saying. Ana meri oroma, I am eating orange. Okay? What are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? How are you doing? We will go over. Let me just finish it. We're gonna go over again, okay? How are you doing? See, remember I said, how are you? Kedu ka ị mere? How are you doing? If you say, how are you doing? Kedu ka ị mere? So you say, kedu ka ị na-eme? Or some people say, how are you doing? Kedu ka ị mere? Okay? Kedu ka ị na-eme? You can say, kedu ka ị mere? You don't have to say ị na-eme. Kedu ka ị mere? If you say, how are you doing today? Okay, let's add today there. How are you doing today? Kedu ka ị mere tata? Kedu ka ị si eme? You can also say, kedu ka ị si eme tata? Some people say, kedu ka ị mere tata? Some people say, kedu ka ị si eme tata? So, kedu ka ị si eme tata? Or some people say ta. It is the same. You can say ta or you can say tata. Now, I am building something. I am building something. Building means arrow. When you're building, to build is arrow, okay? Ana m arụ ihe. Something means ihe. When you say, ana m eme ihe, I am doing something. Let's add that one too. I am doing something. Okay, so we're gonna do both of them. I am building something. Anam arụ. Arụ means to build something. Ana m arụ ihe. Ana m arụ, build. Okay, building. Okay, when you're building something. Ana m arụ ihe is something. This is something. It means something. Now, when you say, I am doing something, it means anam eme ihe. Eme. Doing is ime. To do is ime. Doing is eme. Okay? Anam eme ihe. Now, be safe. Nọrọ nke ọma. Say that. Can say nọrọ ọfụma. Ọfụma. Nọrọ ọfụma ma ọ bụ nke ọma. Means be safe. Now, when you say have a safe trip, it means gaa nke ọma. Nobody put that one, but I'm putting it, okay? Have a safe trip. Gaa ije ọma. It means the trip, okay? Gaa ije ọma. All right, somebody with Galaxy A03. I told you to always put your name. Next time, I won't let you in. So whenever you're in this class, your name should be there. Okay, be safe. Nọrọ ọfụma. Now, have a safe trip. Gaa ije ọma. Can say gaa ije ọma ma ọ bụ nwee ije ọma. Nwee ije ọma means a safe trip, okay? Some people say nwee njem ọma, so they're all the same thing. When you say have a great day, nwee ụbọchị ọma. Day means ụbọchị. Day, ụbọchị. Nwee ụbọchị ọma, okay? Then you say, I can't believe some people are coming to class late in this class, right? So Have a great day. So you say, nwee ụbọchị ọma. Now, I have to go. I have to go. Aga m apụ. See? I have to go. Aga m apụ. Aga m aga. Okay? Aga m apụ. When I say go, means pụọ. Now, but if you're the other one saying, I have to go. Aga m apụ. If you say, I want to go, achọrọ m ịpụ. Now, achọrọ m ịpụ. I want to go. Achọrọ m ịpụ. Apple. I want to go. Achọrọ m ịpụ. Now, if you say, I can't help you cook. Aga m enyere gị aka sie nri. Agaghị m. That's negative, right? Agaghị m enyere gị aka sie nri. Enye. Agaghị m enyere gị aka sie nri. Sie nri means cook food. Sie nri, cook food. Agaghị m enyere gị aka sie nri. I'm not going to help you cook. I can't help you. I won't help you. So these are all that, okay? You look pretty. Oh, ị mara mma. Ị mara mma. Ị mara mma, somebody who is beautiful, who is pretty. Okay? Ị mara mma. E is you. Ị mara mma. Ị mara mma means Olanna. Olanna Bikiri. Now clean what you're writing. Get your hand off the screen. All right. You look pretty. Ị mara mma. Now we're going to start all over again. You must know all this. See, that's why I say everybody put it there. We're going to be doing it every week. And everybody must know how to, you know your own, you know others. You need to know how to say this. I am traveling to Germany. Now, if you look on the screen, you see how we wrote Germany in Igbo. Anam aga njem na Germany. 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 But in English, that's how you wrote it, okay? Anam aga njem. Njem means trip. Njem means trip, okay? Aga m aga njem. If you say, I will travel to Germany. Now, if you say, I will travel tomorrow. I will travel tomorrow. It means, aga m aga. See? Aga m aga njem. Echi, tomorrow is echi. Aga m aga njem. Echi. Aga m aga njem. Echi. I would like you to sound the Igbo one when I sound it, okay? You have to repeat after me. I muted everybody. Chim Sonare, clean what you're writing on the screen. Get your hand off your screen. Just listen to me and sound the word in Igbo. Ana m aga njem. I am traveling, okay? Ana m aga njem. When you say, I am traveling, ana m eje njem. Ana m aga njem. Now, when you say, I will travel tomorrow, aga m aga njem. Echi, tomorrow, bogeni. Echi, tomorrow. Echi, aga m abịa echi. I will come tomorrow. When you say, I will come tomorrow. Now let's say I came. I came yesterday. Abịara m ụnyaahụ. Ụnyaahụ. It's yesterday. Abịara m ụnyaahụ. Ụnyaahụ means yesterday. Ụnyaahụ, yesterday. Tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow, echi. You pay attention because I'm going to ask you a question. Ụnyaahụ, yesterday. Ụnyaahụ, yesterday. Tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow, echi. I will travel tomorrow. Agam aga njem echi. I will travel tomorrow. Agam aga njem echi. I came yesterday. I came yesterday. Okay, let's say I came to your house. I came to your house yesterday. Abịara m n'ụlọ gị. Abịara m n'ụlọ gị ụnyaahụ. Abịara m na. Abịara m na ụlọ gị ụnyaahụ. I came to your house yesterday. Abịara m means I came. I came. Abịara m. I came. Abịara m. Abịara m n'ụlọ gị ụnyaahụ. Abịara m n'ụlọ gị ụnyaahụ. I came to your house yesterday. Abịara m means I came. Ụlọ gị, your house. Your house. I came to your house yesterday. Abịara m n'ụlọ gị ụnyaahụ. Ụnyaahụ means yesterday. I will take you with me. Aga m akpọ gị aga. Aga m akpọ gị aga. I will take you. Aga m akpọrọ gị aga. Aga m akpọ. Taking somebody. When I say take me, kpọrọ m. Aga m akpọrọ gị aga. So when you say take me means kpọrọ m. Take me means kpọrọ m. Kpọrọ. Kpọrọ m. Kpọrọ m. Kpọrọ m. Take me. Say kpọrọ m. Take me with you. Aga m akpọ gị. Okay, I will take you. See, I will take you. Aga m akpọ gị aga. All right? Now, I will take, open the door means meye. Some people say mepe. Okay, meye ụzọ. Mepe ụzọ. Either you say meye ụzọ. Or you can say mepe ụzọ. Use either one of them, okay? Meghe ụzọ Chimsonara. Mepe ụzọ Nneka. Meghe ụzọ Ijeọma means open the door. Mechie means close. Now, if you say mechie ụzọ, it means close the door. Close the door means mechie ụzọ. Meghe ụzọ. Meghe ụzọ. Mepe ụzọ means to open it. Meghe ụzọ. Mechie ụzọ. Mepe ụzọ to open. Mechie ụzọ to close. What time is it? What time is it? Gịnị na-akụ n'elekere? Gịnị na-akụ n'elekere? Okay, gịnị means what? Time is elekere. All right? Go away, please. Pụọ, biko. Pụọ, biko means go away. Go away, please. Pụọ, biko. Pụọ, biko. Please leave this place. Biko, pụọ ebe a. Biko, pụọ ebe a. Please leave this place. Biko, pụọ ebe a. Biko, pụọ ebe a. I am eating orange. Anam eri oroma. Anam eri oroma. Oroma means orange. Anam eri oroma. Now, some people, the correct way, because when you're eating orange, yeah, you're chewing it, right? You're chewing it. Okay? Can you say anamata oroma? Anamata oroma. When you're chewing something, anamata oroma, but you're eating. Anameri oroma. What are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? What means gịnị? What means gịnị? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Okay? Now, if your friend say, oh, I'm doing something, you say, Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? I'm doing something, I can't go. And then you say, what are you doing? Meaning, Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? You have to know this. It's not just listing them, sending to me. If we do it, you have to know how to say all this. Because we're going to have a quiz. Gịnị ka ị na-eme? How are you doing today? Kedu ka ị si eme taa? Kedu ka, how are you doing today? How are you today? Kedu ka ị mere today? Taa. Today. Taa. Kedu ka ị si eme taa? How are you doing today? I am building something. Ana m arụ ihe. Now, if you say, I'm building a house. Ana m arụ ụlọ. So let's put that one. When you say something, something means ihe. So now let's say, I am building a house. Okay? It means anam arụ ụlọ. Anam arụ ụlọ. I am building a house. Anam arụ ụlọ. Anam arụ ụlọ. I am building a house. Ụlọ means house. Anam arụ, when you're building something, it means ero, to build. Anam arụ ụlọ. Anam arụ ọrụ. I am working. See, I am working. Anam arụ ọrụ. I am working. Anam arụ ọrụ. So don't forget how to say all this. Anam arụ ọrụ. See, you're working, doing something. All right? Anam arụ ọrụ. I am doing something. Anam eme ihe. Anam eme ihe. Something means what? Ihe. Something means ihe. I am doing something. So that's something that you didn't tell us is ihe. Anam eme ihe. Okay. I am cooking. Anam esi nri. See that? So when you say something, something could be that you're cooking, or you're sweeping, or you're studying your book, or you're doing something else, but you didn't want to say specifically what it is. Ana me eme, I am doing something. Okay? Be safe. Noro ofuma. Like every time we say be safe. Noro nkoma. Be safe. Don't get yourself in trouble. Okay? Safe means noro ofuma. Have a safe trip. Ga njem ọma. Gaa ije ọma. Nwee ije ọma. If your dad is traveling, you say, Gaa ije ọma. Gaa ofuma. Means gaa ije ọma, okay? Have a safe trip. Have a great day. Have a great day means nwee ụbọchị ọma. Nwee ụbọchị ọma. Nwee ụbọchị ọma. I have to go. Aga m apụ. I have to go. Aga m apụ. I have to go is not the sentence I am leaving. See, when you say I am leaving, it's not the same. I am leaving. Apụwalam. Apụwalam means I am leaving. Apụwalam. 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 I am leaving. Apụwalam. Okay. She is leaving. He is leaving. Apụwala. They are leaving. Ha apụwala. So when you say they are leaving, ha apụwala means ha apụwala. Okay, they left. It's not the same. Okay, let me use another term. We left. Anyị apụọla. Anyị apụọla. Anyị apụọla. We left. Oh, where are you? We left. Anyị apụọla. They are leaving. Ha apụwala. They didn't leave yet. They didn't leave. They didn't leave. They are just leaving. Ha apụọla. Now, when you say they left, ha apụọla. But this one, ha apụwala. Okay. Ha ejewela. Some people say, ha ejewela. Some people say, ha ejewele. Ejewele. Ha ejewele. That's dialect. But the central one is ha apụwala. Okay. Anyị apụọla. We left already. Anyị apụọla. We left already. I want to go. Achọrọ m ịpụ. I want to go. You can say achọrọ m ịpụ or achọrọ m ịga. I want to go. So the best way is to use one. I don't want to confuse you. Achọrọ m ịga ịpụ. I want to go. Just want to go. Achọrọ m ịpụ ebe a. I want to. I say, achọrọ, I want to live here. I want to go from here. Achọrọ m ịpụ. I want to go. Achọrọ m ịpụ. I can't help you cook. See this one? I can't help you cook. Agaghị m enyere gị aka sie nri. Agaghị m enyere gị aka sie nri. You look pretty. Ị mara mma. Ị mara mma means pretty or beautiful. Anything pretty or beautiful means beautiful. It's pretty. Or ị mara mma. Okay. So now, now I'm going to ask somebody something here. Let me see. Who will tell me what I said about something? Chinde Ezugo, mute yourself. Chinde Ezugo, gene something. I said it several times. Gene was something. Chinde, mute yourself. Chimsonari, unmute. Chimsonari. Chimsonari, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Gene was something.
Wait.
Gene was something.
It wouldn't let me unmute. Sorry.
Okay, Shimde, Manalaya. Gene was something.
Something will ihe.
Ihe. Something bo. Ihe. So remember, I kept singing and singing, singing. Something bo. Ihe. So for those of you that I know you sent your homework, we're still going to do them. I just wanted to do few today. We're going to take it. We go down until we finish it. But you have to know all this before next week, because we're going to start with a quiz before we do more. So something, but in here, everybody know all this. Everybody go. I will post it after class, and you must know them. Before coming to class next week, you must know them before you come to class next week. Onye nwere ajụjụ? Ị nwere ajụjụ? I don't want to do more because I want you to learn all of this, how to say them in Igbo. So next week, we're going to have quiz and I'm going to ask you a question. I'll say, take me, how do you say it in Igbo? And you say it. Without looking, and you're going to be looking at me. You're not going to look in the paper or anywhere. So you better go. If you don't have phone, you don't get this class note. When I post it, ask your parents to print it for you. Okay, Chimsonari nwere ajụjụ. Chimsonari gịnị wụ ajụjụ gị? Okay, unmute yourself. Chimsonari, can you unmute?
I have a chip scenario on the island of Ajuju. What if you, but I already sent my homework, but can I put another homework?
No, wait until you learn the ones that we have here. Don't put more because we're gonna get your own. We're just going line by line. The first person that sent the second person, we're gonna keep doing it. But I don't want to put all of them here because if I put it, it would be too much for everybody to learn. So don't put another one. What I want you to do is to learn the ones that we did because the good thing is that you learn your own, you learn others. So you have a lot. At least they are going to learn. So I want you to focus on learning all this that we did today, okay, Chinsonari? Okay? Don't put another one. I want you to learn these ones first, okay? Before we do another one, all right?
All right.
Okay, daalụ. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Ask me now. That's a good question, Chinsonari. Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? You better ask me now. If you don't know what to do, ask me. What I say you need to do is to learn all these phrases. You need to learn all of them. Okay, you need to learn all of them. So if I ask you a question, if I say, what is it? Open the door. You need to answer me freely. Open the door. Meghe ụzọ. If you like to say mepe ụzọ, fine. Because you need to know them. And then the best way to go about this, speak it in the house. You can just randomly, it doesn't have to make sense. You say, Mama, meghe ụzọ. Or you can tell your sibling, Chisom, mepe ụzọ. Chisom, mechie ụzọ. You use them, say them. Now, you can even say, hey, Chima, can tell Obi, gịnị na-akụ n'elekere. Start using these words. Or you can say, Papa, gịnị na-akụ n'elekere. Just play with it. Play with it, okay? Or you can, Chizitere can say, oh, Papa, aga m aga njem echi. See? So use these words. Speak them. Get used to it. That's what you need to do. And then when you come to class, get used to it. Listen to the class. Listen to how we said it. I repeated everything. So that's what I want you to do. If you forget it, ask your parents, and they will tell you how to say it. Don't wait until you come to class. Okay, Shudo nwere ajụjụ. Shudo, unmute yourself. Shudo, unmute. You know what? Say your name and tell me I have a question and tell me my question is.
My question is,
Shudo, gịnị bụ aha gị? Tell me your name.
My name is Chudo.
Shudo, I want you to say aha m bụ Shudo.
Aha m bụ Chudo.
I want you to say enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Okay, go ahead and ask your question.
My question is, what happens if you put more homework?
No, I don't want you to put more because I want you to finish learning what we have already, okay? So when we finish all that we have, because we have a lot to learn, a lot of people send their homework, which is good. Chudo, did you send your own? Chudo, did you send your homework? Is Chudo there? Chudo, did you send your homework? Uh-oh, I lost Chudo. Chudo, so we're going to finish learning this one before we can put another one, okay? But if you haven't sent your own, please do it. If you haven't sent it, go ahead. All right, Chudo, if you haven't sent your homework, send it to me. All right. Onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Isabella or Gabriela? Isabella or Gabriela? Okay, unmute yourself.
Achọrọ m ịpụpụ. Chukwu gọzie
Okay.
gị.
I want you to say your name. Say, I have a question. My question is. Say your name first.
Aha m bụ Ngozi Chukwu.
Okay, Ngozi. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere ajụjụ.
Ajụjụ mbụ.
Ajụjụ mbụ. Chukwu gọzie gị.
Chukwu gọzie gị. You want to know what is Chukwu gọzie gị? Or you want to say something, Ngozi?
It means God bless you.
God bless you. Good. There you go. Dalo Chukwu gọziekwa gị. And it means may God bless you too. So when you say Chukwu gọzie gị, and then the person will say back to you, Chukwu gọziekwa gị, it means may God bless you too. Dalo Ngozi.
Imela.
Yeah. Okay, now everybody listen. If we don't have more questions, I want you, don't forget to subscribe so that when I post this video, once you finish downloading, once we end the class and you finish downloading, I'm going to send it. And when you get it, I want you to listen to it. But the class note, I'm going to send right away. Tell your parents if you don't have phone, if you're not in the forum, to print it out. I want you to go over the class note. Learn all of them before next week because we're going to keep doing more. Okay? All right. So I will see you next week. Okay? So how do we say see you next week? How do we say that? I'm going to unmute everybody because I want to make sure you all know it. How do you say see you next week? All right.